Today I'm going to show you how to auto-refresh Google Sheets every 1 minute. This is incredibly useful when you're working with live data or formulas that need constant updating, ensuring your spreadsheet always displays the most current information without manual intervention. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to configure. This step is essential as it grants you access to all your workspace files and settings. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your workspace dashboard. Here, you'll see all your documents, spreadsheets, and other files. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet you want to set up with auto refresh. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open the file. This will bring you into the spreadsheet's editing interface, where you can make all the necessary changes. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Look for the option labeled File and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with various options for managing your document. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up a new window where you can customize how your spreadsheet behaves and calculates data. Within the Settings window, you'll notice several tabs available. Click on the Calculation tab to access the calculation-specific settings. This is where you can control how and when your spreadsheet recalculates formulas and updates data. These settings are crucial for managing sheets that depend on real-time or frequently changing information. In the Calculation tab, you'll see an option called Recalculation. This feature determines how often your spreadsheet automatically updates its formulas and data. Click on the drop-down menu located directly underneath Recalculation. You'll be presented with several timing options. Select on Change and every minute from the list. This setting ensures your spreadsheet recalculates not only when changes are made, but also automatically every 60 seconds, keeping your data consistently fresh. Once you've made this selection, look for the Save Settings button and click it. This action confirms your changes and applies the new recalculation frequency to your spreadsheet. Give it a moment to save, and your settings will be updated. And that's it. Your Google Sheets document is now configured to auto-refresh every 1 minute, ensuring your data stays current without any manual effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.